Hello friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then you are most welcome. And if you are visiting my channel again, then thank you for your encouragement and blessings. Please check my description box of each and every videos. There you will get all the details about the video and all the links. Thank you. Hello friends, today we will discuss about when we see fruits on our dreams. Fruits getting ripe. If we see fruits getting ripe in our dreams, then dreaming that you are observing fruits in the process of ripening on trees branches in a time-lapse vision is symbolic of your dreams and aspirations one step closer to becoming reality and just ripe of the picking. The odds in your favor that you would soon gain success in your chosen path in terms of your career, business, project or relationships. Consequently, people would accord you the respect and admiration you greatly deserve. Now, if we see unripe fruits on our dreams, to dream that you are seeing or picking unripe fruits is a failure stemming from our lack of insight, planning, and the unnecessary skills to continue a project or business venture which our started rather haphazardly. This dream vision is a lesson in preparedness. Before losing any more time, money, and resources, you might consider changing strategies or the project and starting all over again. This time had better be sure you have done a lot of studies. Now, if you are seeing dreams on eating fruits, dreaming that you are eating fresh fruits is an indication of rotting setup of beliefs and moral standards. Being exposed to the side of town or associating with the wrong type of people could have shaken up your foundations or good behavior and slowly corrupted your mind. Alternately, this dream vision could also mean losing an inheritance, most probably as a result of your disobedience to the wishes of your folks who, out of dismay, decided to cut you out of your will. Now you can see selling or buying fruits on your dreams. To dream that you are selling or buying fruits indicates that you are part of a deal or negotiation in relation to a project or business which, although seemingly promising and showing signs of hitting the big time from the start, would sadly make very little progress despite your own best efforts. The same dream vision also symbolizes other people's unexpected indifference in you. They would appear more than eager to have your ideas and opinions shared with them. And this is not so good because as bearing little or no significance the group's collective project as soon as you back in turned. You will not get that much progress you want. Now, if you dream dried fruits, then it indicates that your well of hope and jest for life may be slowly running dry. It does happen to everyone once in a while. Indeed, there are times when you would feel uninspired and all you would see is the meaninglessness of life. Now, if you see variety of fruits on the table on your dream, then what is the meaning? To dream of seeing a variety of fruits on the table indicates a mind-blowing encounter you will not forget. Such as encounter would subject you to activities which would senses your and give you immense physical pleasure. This dream indicates that you should be unafraid to express your innermost desires and emotions to response to your feelings, and in this way you will be able to enjoy the experience to the fullest. Now, if you are giving fruits to someone in your dreams, to dream that you are giving fruits to someone is a symbol of mature love. It indicates that the person in your dream will become an important part of your life. If the person is someone who wish to be romantically involved with, there is a high livelihood that you will share the same feelings of love for each other for each other. Your undeniable chemistry and the fact that you have a lot of things in common will work in mutual adventure should be continue to nurture your relationship and later to decide a lifetime commitment. Offering fruit to a friend means, in your dream, if you are offering fruit to someone, then it means that a friend is a symbolic vision of your playing Cupid. It indicates that you have or would play an important role in helping a friend building a romantic relationship with someone you might know or someone you had set up for a date with your friend. As a result, a couple would thank you for serving as bridge in their love affair and for helping them find real happiness and joy in their union, which by the looking of it would seem destined to last a lifetime. Now, if you are picking fruits from trees, if you are dreaming so, then it symbolizes the fruits of your own labor. Because of your hard work and determination, you would soon reveal in your accomplishments in relation in your work, project or business. It could mean closing a deal which would entail a considerable monetary incentive or increasing profits from applying unconventional marketing strategies which turned your business around. So that's all for today of dreaming fruits. There are different type of dreams about fruits. So you can comment here if you are dreaming about fruit. I hope it helps you. My video helps you, and if you have any type of dreams, you can comment it below in the comment box. Then I will definitely decode your dream and tell you over comments, or I can make another video for that. Thank you so much. God bless you.